How to remove files from OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and want to read on how to remove files on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Files at the top right here. Select it. Then here you can find different kinds of files right here. Now to remove one of the file, simply tap onto three dot lines at the right, just right here. Select it. Just like this. Then here you can find delete. Now tap on it. And then confirm it that you want to delete this item. And now you can see it has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can remove files from OneDrive. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.